Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Fusion Markets to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your laptop. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for tradingview.com. Once you are here on tradingview.com, you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you, just like so. If you don't know how to open the charts, when you log in into your TradingView account, you will see this type of page in front of you. So here on this page, simply click on the option of products and it is going to launch the chart in front of you. So it can be any of the charts, it can be crypto, forex or stocks. So it really doesn't matter. So when you are here on this particular charts page, simply click on the trading panel option in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now click on the option of show all brokers so that it could show you the list of all of the brokers which you can basically connect here with TradingView account very easily. So among these you just have to look for Fusion Markets. So you can either look for its icon here in this list, or you can simply use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can type Fusion Markets here. So when you type it, if you see its icon, this is exactly what we want. So click on the Fusion Markets icon, and when it shows you this type of pop-up in front of you, it is basically going to ask you whether you want to log in into your live account or demo account. So you can choose any of these, then provide the Fusion Market username and password and click on the option of connect. Basically, you just have to log in here with the help of your username and password associated with your Fusion Markets account, and this way you will be able to connect your Fusion Markets account with TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.